In this video, I will show you how to use CapCut Pro effects and easily export projects to your PC. Open the CapCut app. Click on the settings icon. Click on settings again. Now select the file location where you want to save your CapCut project files. Click Create Project. Now import any video. I'll show you some pro feature effects. Now showing the Join Pro option. Select all. Right-click the mouse button. Click Create Compound Clip. Again click the right mouse button. Click Pre-process Compound Clip. You can see your project name here. Now go to where you saved the project file. Click CapCut. Click on CapCut Draft. Select your project file. Click Resources. Click Combination. Import this file back into CapCut. Now delete all old project files. Export now. Click Export.